In this tutorial we're going to show you how to connect your Care Alert Smart Dialer to a modem that's connected to the NBN. So come and have a look and we'll show you. It's very easy to do. We're using this particular of modem here. There are many different types of modems you can get, different depending on what RSP you're with. You might be with Telstra, Optus, Vodafone, whoever it is, they will have supplied a modem, but they all look very similar on the back anyway. So look, the first thing that we're going to do, you more than likely have your telephone plugged into the modem at the moment, and we should be able to check that. Yes, we've got a dial tone, so that's plugged into the modem at the moment. What we're going to do first is unplug the telephone out the back of the modem. So if we turn this around, we can see here the telephone plugged in there. We'll unplug that. And step one is to plug this into the back of the Care Alert base station. Now on the back here, there are two ports up this end here. One is marked line and one is marked tel for telephone. This is the telephone, so we're going to plug it into here. You'll hear it click into position, which locks it so it can't come out. So that's the first step. The next step is now connecting the base station back up to the modem. So in your pack you would have got a telephone cord. So we'll just unwrap this and we'll get one end of this and we'll plug this into the back of your base station, into the one that's marked line. So we plug that in there, make sure it's locked into position, and with the other side we'll plug that back where your telephone came out of. So we'll get this and plug it straight into there. Alright, make sure that it locks into position. Now if you have a look down here, you'll notice that this LED would have turned from red to blue. That is now letting you know that the modem is connected to the base station. And to check, we can make sure that we've got a dial tone, which we have. So now the telephone is plugged into the base station and the base station back into the modem. Now you'll see that it is quite a little bit messy. At the end, once you tidy everything up, you can hide your cords and make sure it's all looking neat. We do suggest that you don't sit this too close to the modem, just so you don't get any interference, but that can all be sorted out at the end, and it's as simple as that. That's now connected to the modem and running through the NBN. Now we do suggest that you do get the NBN connected to your house. The reason for that is because this system can run on a landline or NBN or 3G. Having this set up like this gives you the best possible protection, 24/7 protection, because if the NBN or the power, if you have a blackout, turns everything off, this will automatically switch across to 3G and continue to operate as normal. I'll show you how that works. If we spin this around, all I'm going to do is just pull the power out, and you'll have a look down, have a look at these LEDs while I do this. I'll try and pull it up here. If I hold that like that, I'll pull the power out and you'll see, like that. See how that's just instantly gone red? It means this has dropped out, it's lost power, and it's straight away flicked across to 3G and will continue to work no matter what. So good idea to get NBN connected, and you can get some great bundles. You can check it out online, and then you can continue to make phone calls and all of that as well. So hope that helps.